shit.
Welcome to Mantry. We are doing a little Saganaki tonight. Fried Greek cheese. So easy, tasty, 5 minutes. We got the good stuff here. Kefalo Gravira cheese. It's a Greek cheese. It's firm, it sears up real nice. You can get a coating on it. We'll bread it in a little bit of flour. And then we'll throw it into some hot olive oil, sear it up, a little bit of lemon juice, and you'll be done. So let's get going. Okay, let's get this little breading going. So we're just gonna touch it into a little bit of water and then over into the seasoned flour. Just coat it on all sides. You can always just dust it off after. Good amount of oil in the pan, just to coat the bottom. Now we're just gonna look for when the oil kind of runs like water. That's when we're gonna know it's got a good heat on it. Obviously you don't want to crowd the pan, so you just got the 2 slices in there. Lemons. They'll get nicely brown now. You can see around the outside. So we'll get underneath it. Yeah, that's looking good out of the pan. Onto the plate. Nice and crispy. Oh yeah. I just throw over this liquid too, why not? So we'll just kind of position it up like that. Sits up nice. A little bit of lemon juice to cut that fat. And I like to go with just the tiniest bit of honey. Okay, looking pretty good. That's our Saganaki. I don't know what the Greeks would say about it, but pretty solid. Little lemon juice, honey on there, nice crispy crust from the flour. It's gonna be the perfect little tasty dinner. Cheers.